Hey everyone, it's another day of being quarantined at the house, and my fan that runs my AC and everything went out, so guess what I gotta do? I have to take it out. So, thought I'd bring you guys along with me. So, let's get going. All my tools are in that chair. So, let's turn you around here. First things first. You have, I think, T25s? Yeah. So, you have two of them, but first, you have to reposition the camera. Take this and it just pops out with these. So let's get going. And then that's the first one. Second one's over here, right here. So this is my first time taking this fan out. So this just pops off. And the fan is right there. This unit. That unit right there. So I have to take the glove box off, and I think you just have six screws. So I'm gonna set you guys right there. Okay, this thing has to come off. So, I've already had this glove box and everything out because I had to change the cabin air filter. But one day, AC was on and everything. My control panel that's right here. The lights, it was on high and everything, but no air was going through it. So I looked it up, and they said that if that happens, your fan has gone out. Not your compressor. Your compressor's in the engine. This is the fan. Okay. Yeah. And when you're pulling this out, you have wires. That should just pop right off. Like so. I was wrong. It's back here. No wonder that was harder than the first time I did it. Ugh, fly. Okay, that's the glove box. So now this is all open. And now you can see that in there, if I can get closer. Yeah, that fan, I'm grabbing a flashlight. That fan right there is what I'm getting to. So it's all behind that. So this is gonna be fun. Is now it's back there. The YouTube video I saw says you have to pull this carpet just to get it out, which I'm not excited on doing because it has the cardboard, not cardboard, but styrofoam behind it that you have to snap. Okay. I unplugged this light just because it was in my way. Okay. Now the AC thing is fan. I'm undoing the hose from it. The drain hose. That just pops out like that. Now the fun part. Well, hey look, the airbag. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3. I don't know why they did this, but I have to break one of the snaps because it goes right with the outer wall here. So this is probably going to be an all-day project. Okay, so I got the replacement model. Got it from Amazon. And so there's 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think it's this back one right here that I have to break because it's in that corner. They say these go out every 10 years. So this car here, very trusty, is the 2004 Volvo XC90 2.5 liter turbo. It's the 5-cylinder all-wheel drive. However, I'm still figuring out why the all-wheel drive is not working. I got the front end stuck twice. I just dropped it into the dirt and got it stuck. Had to get one car to pull it out the first time, truck. Second time, we had to push it out. Luckily, we got it out. Okay, I got it, and my camera's overheating. I had it in the sun. So, I'm going to pull this out, and I'll catch you when I get it out. Well, we're back, and I finally got it out, as you can see. So, I got it out. Like I said, I had to break this tab here just to get it out. So that's the old one. And that's the new one. So now what we have to do is put this unit, control module, right here. You want to undo the wire from the control module relay thing, ouch, to the motor. First things first, this fan has to come off. There's 2 screws, well, not screws, but kind of, P25s on the back. So we'll have to take those off. And the unit's gonna spin. Well, I'm holding on to it, but if I was holding on to the fan, see, doesn't work. I think they said you have to work this, yeah. You have to work it. So each side, there's an opening here and then here. And you just have to work it. Work it down, work it out, until it falls out underneath of it. So at this point, you can just wiggle it out. Okay. But this is what we're needing right here. That I need to use on it. So, oh, should have done that side. So, this is the control module. Okay. So it goes in like this. Like this. Just straight in and up. My problem is I have to break this tab off without breaking anything else. I'm so hoping this slides right in. But you know, they never do. Oh, there, I got it. It's in. I like that. It's in. Well, at least I know how to do it, and at least you know how to do it now. Screw it back in. Reverse how you took it out. Now we're done. All this can go back to how it was. Before we put this cover back on and the glove box back on, let's see if it works. Let's turn it on. It turned on. Let's put it on. It's going. Okay, so everything's working. So hopefully this video helped you, and so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time I put up a new video. So I'll catch you next time. See ya!